Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I have come up to show you making of this unique type of design using the normal stitching. These designs are very unique and yet look creative. So we must try these type of latest trending design. Here instead of square kundan, I'd be working with circle kundan in the center. Start with the designing. I'd be applying the glue to stick silver color circle kundan in the center and followed with the 8 dots to stick the small size of yellow color kundan. This is to create the flower shape. Also followed with the lines of 12. I'd be applying the glue, and on this I'd be sticking yellow color drop shape kundans of small size. This is how it looks once stuck. And now I'd be using gold Zardosi string of small size. This is to highlight the center of these kundans. So placing it in the form of zigzag or in the shape of U, we have to give the stitch like this. Follow the instructions carefully and you can design this on your already stitched blouse also. Remove the side stitches, fix the frame and create the border like this. This will really give stunning appeal. So leaving the center one, we have to give the stitch for the joining of this Zardosi, and here I'd be using cotton silk thread 9 number hemming needle for the stitching of Zardosi work. Now here I am almost at the end, but without breaking we need to continue again so that the another side which was left here, that will be also covered, creating the small shape of the flower of the circular kundan. That means we are highlighting the circular kundans. These materials you can also try in the fancy stores, ladies corners or any tailoring material shops, or also the links provided in the description box for your convenience. Kindly check out. Here I'll cut the Zardosi string. And now I'll be highlighting these drop shape kundans with the same Zardosi string which I cut in 1 inch of length, just inserting the needle and giving couple of stitches so that it will be highlighted and secured. This is how all the drop shape kundans has to be highlighted. Further extending this design with the lines of using here the sugar beads followed with the pearl. This is how we have to insert one sugar bead, pearl, again sugar bead, and this I'll give the stitch towards underneath and I'll give an overlapping stitch on it so that it will be maintained stiff and will not move. Now moving forward with the Zardosi string, so inserted in the same hole. Again the Zardosi string I cut in very small size. This is how we have to extend the design between the flowers to fill in the gaps. And this is so simple, super easy and creative work. Your time and money will not be wasted. This is my assurance. Like this, in between the gaps of the flowers we have to give the filling with these lines. In between the gaps I will be working with the 4 lines. This is how it looks once completed. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you. Try it on your old or new to create into the new designer blouses. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, maybe useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashion and trend.